Hello and welcome to Lok Bazaar, a decentralized marketplace built on Matic. Similar to other marketplaces, it also has registration page for both customer and the seller. But unlike centralized marketplaces, here data entered by both the entities is first encrypted and then uploaded to Swarm, which is a decentralized storage by Ethereum. And hence it keeps users' data secure as no one except the contract knows the QID of the data. So let's start with seller registration. You can see a pop-up here. It is Potis, the wallet which I have linked with my D app. So we will first log in into Potis. Since we are logged in now, the seller can enter basic details about himself. You can sign up. So it invokes a blockchain transaction. And it asks for our confirmation as we confirm. We are now signed in. This is the sign-in page for the seller. The image on the left is completely random, so we can proceed with the sign-in. It again asks for our Potis pop-up and we can sign in here Potis as well. Now we are signed in. This graph is for demo. So as the page loads, we'll get our Ether balance here. So this is the amount of ETH which we have in our account. So we can proceed to add an item now. So let's say we want to add an antivirus. Item category is security. Here we enter the price in ETH. So we have 6 quantity available. We can give some description about the product and we can click on next. So here we get to choose to add 5 images. We can choose file. And click on add. So at this point also all these images are uploaded to Swarm. So our item is now added to the store. Similar is the registration process for customer as well. Our customer is already registered. I have used different accounts for sellers and customers. So we can proceed with customer signing. We are now signed in. The images on the left are random again. So let's say we want to search an antivirus. we can search by item, and we can search by category as well. So we have antivirus enough of now. So as the page loads, we'll get to see the balance of the customer as well. This is the page when it loads completely. We can view the Ether balance, and also you can see a glimpse of the photos retrieved from Swarm decentralized storage. So let's say if we want to view details of Norton antivirus, we can click on view details, and we can see images here. So let's say we want to message the seller. We click on message and say we want to send him hi there. So when we click on send, his number is retrieved from the QID which he entered during his registration. So all this process is done in the background, and neither the customer nor the seller can know each other. So as I click on send, the message is sent and the page reloads. So it is all done securely. Let's assume that user now wants to search something by category. These are the other security products uploaded by various sellers. As the page loads, we'll get to see the images as well as the updated balance. Let's say we want to purchase the camera. I click on buy. We click on confirm transaction and the page reloads. Now if the user wants to see his purchase history, you can go to my orders and you can see that he purchased the antivirus and the camera. So if we see, the user was able to contact seller without both the parties getting to see each other's data. This is how it maintains privacy. The traditional centralized marketplace sell their own products and not everyone benefits from it. They know too much about us, have painful transaction charges and unfair competition. LokBazaar gets rid of all these issues. There can be a rating system both for product and the seller. Consumers would buy most popular product and brands won't have to advertise much. In conclusion, we can say a decentralized marketplace is becoming more of a necessity than a requirement, and it benefits everyone, the customer and the seller. Thank you.